It's a beautiful day in Jamaica where I'm taking the ATV ride in the jungle. Like, it's so cool.
Pull and push and pull. So if you're making a left turn, you're gonna pull with the left hand, push with the right. Right turn likewise, pull with the right, push with the left. Alright, I don't want to see anybody sitting on the bike, pressing their gas, and looking like this, and then go right through the fence. The tour is over, right? So the unit comes with two brakes, one in the right handbar, one in the right foot landing. The one we're going to work with today is this one. This one controls all four wheels. This one, only the two back wheels. So if you use this one while going, it can cause the bike to slide, and then from a slide to a flip. Alright, so don't use this one, alright? Always remember, this is the one you're going to use. Okay? In your right handlebar, it's your exhilarator, which is your gas. Alright? I don't want to see you poking, because the whole time you'll be like this. So you're going to be pressed smoothly, consistent pressure, alright? The more you press, the faster the unit goes. So you're going to stay in your comfort zone.
Okay.
Alright, just like driving your car,
Yeah.
your feet. You press to what you want, right? So you're going to transfer that from the feet to the thumb. So you're going to press smoothly. Okay? Make sure no poking. Right? As soon as you monitor your accelerator, you'll be comfortable, ready to go, alright?
Wait, I have a question. Which one do you press for the brake? Is it just that handle? It's not the red thing or nothing?
No,
okay.
no.
Just squeeze it.
Yeah, silver. Alright?
Okay.
And when you're riding, right? Don't gas and brake at the same time.
Okay.
Of course.
When it's time to brake, you're gonna lift the thumb up, apply your brake.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
If you gas and brake at the same time, you have no control of the unit. You're looking to the left, the unit going right.
Okay.
Alright, always remember that.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so all the units already in drive. Once you start the unit, you're ready to go. This is H for drive.
Drive,
Sorry.
okay.
Sorry about that. H for drive. And R, reverse. We use 2 gear today.
Okay.
Right? So in case you need to reverse, you're going to click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you're showing the screen at the back. Alright? Once you're done reverse, you're going to push it all the way to the front. You're ready to go again. But a guide will always be with you. So
Okay.
no problem. To start the unit, you're going to squeeze the brake and turn the key. Alright? Always have to squeeze the brake for the unit to start. If it gives you a unit and says start the unit, squeeze the brake and it don't start, come and start it for you. Alright?
Okay.
Okay. The unit, they don't come with indicators. So we as a guide, we use some hand signal over there. Alright? And this signal only, this means stop.
Oh, okay.
Alright? Left turn. Right turn, slow down, come on a little faster, thumbs up to check on you if you're okay. Once you're okay, you can nod your head, or if you're comfortable with the unit, you can